Today we will talk about how to cut a BH5P hair system to a smaller size. This hair system is one of the most loved models. It has an undetectable lace front and professionally bleached hairline with 120% density. We choose to talk about this model in particular because of these ventilation holes. They are fine monofilaments with a poly-coated perimeter. One thing about mono fabric is its edge must be sealed. Otherwise, it will fray easily, which means you cannot cut these parts. So be sure to check if the size you need to achieve works on a BH5 base. Now we need to cut this hair system from 20 centimeters by 25 centimeters to 13 centimeters by 22 centimeters. We recommend starting horizontally. Mark where 13 centimeters wide is at the front, middle, and back. Remember to measure the length from the front of the hairline and leave the extra base materials out. Use a template to connect all the dots and give the new hair system a nice curvature. When resizing a hair system, blunt tip scissors are highly recommended. Always use the tip of the scissors only to avoid cutting hair off. Try to slice the hair system with blades instead of cutting. Before you finish, retouch the lace part to prevent it from fraying.